Hey guys, Jenny here from Jenny Clark Quilting, back with another quick tip and tutorial for you. If you've ever wanted to know how to use the quick ripper, this is the video for you. Stick with me and I'll show you how to use it. Okay, I'm back to show you how to use the quick ripper. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you can get notified of weekly tips and tricks to help you enhance your quilting and paper piecing skills. So I have a piece here and I sewed it on wrong. So I'm going to use, instead of using the traditional seam ripper, I'm going to use my quick ripper. The reason that I like this and I think it's the best seam ripper is because it is so fast and so easy to take off your piece that you put on wrong. So here we go. I'm going to take you down to the mat to show you how to do it. Okay, so I have to take this piece off here, so I'm going to start out. I put my paper backwards and I'm going to get it started with just the first couple stitches that I want to take out, just like that. Then I'm going to grab my quick ripper and turn it on. Then I'm just going to hold the bottom piece with my pinky and the top piece with my other fingers, and I'm just going to slightly just go right along like that. I pull in just a little bit of pressure on this top piece. And there we go. The piece is taken off. Okay, well, wasn't that easy? A nice short and sweet tutorial to show you how to use the best seam ripper ever because it's so quick and easy, the quick ripper. Join me next time where I bring you short, quick and easy tips and tricks to enhance your quilting and paper piecing skills.